Hey guys, it's me Jack. I'm going to the countryside with my favorite t-shirt. I'm on the way to the countryside and we're passing a car. Fast. We're going with really high speed. Oh my god, Father, no, my god. That was a sick pass. Wait, that wasn't even a pass. Oh, whatever. So here is the really big yard at the countryside with my father. It's so big. Look at these animals. They love me, don't they? Hey, little kitty. Hey, little. Come here. I think they hate me. Look at my t-shirt. It says All Star. This print describes me perfectly. Oh my god, that rhymes. I'm so good at rhymes. So I'm gonna talk to you when I get back, or maybe family. Okay, so I stay in the only 5 minutes here because I don't know why. And now I'm going home. I'm gonna continue the video when I'm home, or maybe in the car a bit, on the way to the car. It was so fun staying here and doing nothing. I'm going inside. It was fun. Bye! Hey guys, I got home. It's very hot outside. I can read. Last time she beat my ass up. I don't know why. She took her hand and did like this. Yeah. And I don't want to happen again. So, let's go. Slowly to my house. Very slowly. I'm going. I need in my house. I'm going in my house. I'm in. Oh my god, it's locked. I'm scared. Here's the child. Slowly go away, slowly. Go here. I need to get out. I got away. Look you guys. It's right there. I'm gonna see you later in the next episode. Don't miss. What is your